Hello, welcome to FlixWater YouTube channel. Today, I want to share some valuable tips on how to insulate a water softener to protect it during the colder months. As the temperatures start to drop, it's crucial to take precautions to ensure your water system stays in top condition. Let's start by understanding how cold weather can harm your water softener. The purpose of a water softener is to filter out minerals like calcium and magnesium that can cause buildup in your pipes and damage household appliances. The softener uses resin beads to trap these minerals through an ion exchange process, providing you with mineral-free, soft water. However, without proper protection, cold weather can cause significant damage to your water softener. Freezing temperatures can lead to burst pipes, resulting in flooding and potential damage to your home and belongings. So, how can you prevent your water softener from freezing? Here are some valuable tips. Keep it warm. If your water softener is located in an area exposed to cold temperatures, it's important to provide extra heat during winter. Position a space heater near the softener to maintain a constant flow of warm air around the system. If you'll be away on vacation, consider leaving your central heat on at a low level to keep the area warm. Remember, a slight increase in your heating bill is a small price to pay compared to the cost of repairing frozen pipes and a flooded basement. Drain the tank. If you don't plan on using your water softener during winter, it's a good idea to drain the tank to prevent freezing. This is especially important for outdoor water softeners. Consult with a local water expert for specific instructions on how to properly drain your softener's tank. Keep the water running. Water softener connections are less likely to freeze when water is flowing. If you'll be away from home for a few days, consider leaving a kitchen faucet dripping slightly. This simple trick can help prevent burst pipes. Install insulation. Visit your local home improvement store to purchase insulation material that can trap heat. Cut it to fit around your pipes and water softener, and use zip ties to secure it in place. Insulation will help maintain a temperature above freezing and prevent pipe bursts. Monitor daily. Regularly check your water softener for any signs of leaks, drips, or buildup, especially on cold days. By catching and addressing problems early, you can prevent significant damage from occurring. Unplug the system. If you'll be away for an extended period, consider unplugging your water softener to minimize the chances of frozen pipes and backflow issues. Don't forget to drain any connecting tanks to prevent freezing. Keep garage doors shut. If your water softener is located in the garage, it's essential to keep the doors closed to maintain a temperature above freezing. Space heaters won't be effective if the garage door is left open. Remember, winterizing your water softener is necessary if the temperature drops below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. If you keep your water softener in an unheated indoor environment, such as a garage, or if you won't be using it during the winter, it's important to take the necessary steps to protect it. Before winter arrives, it's a good idea to have a trained professional inspect your water softener, especially if you plan to drain and disconnect it for the season. They can assess the condition of your system, replace any worn-out parts, and ensure it's ready to function properly when you reconnect it in the spring. Whether you're using your water softener throughout the winter or shutting it down, insulating your pipes and following these preventative measures will help keep your system safe and prevent costly damage. I hope you found these tips helpful for insulating your water softener. Stay proactive and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a well-protected water system during the colder months. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for next topics or click to see the next videos on the right.